Now that you have that good to go, come over on here and we're gonna add 1 cup of melted butter, add 1 cup brown sugar. So we have equal parts brown sugar and butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup butter, and we'll continue to stir that until all of that brown sugar is melted in with that butter. This is looking perfect, and we're just gonna pour. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Pouring that right over the pretzels. We're gonna have a sweet, salty little holiday treat here. Easy peasy too. We wanna get all of that out of there. Oh, that's gonna be so delicious. Nice and gently just spreading that mixture right over the top. Look at how it just kind of flows over there. And it's just going into all these crevices of these little pretzel rods. All right, there we go. We're gonna take this now, we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350. I'm gonna cook it for 8 minutes. Yes, I know that is super particular, but 8 minutes is just what works. So we'll pop it in for 8 minutes and stick around because we still have more to come. All right, our 8 minutes is up, and look at how delicious that brown sugar mixture is baked right into those pretzels. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be a little crunchy, sweet, a little salty, so tasty. All right, next step here, you guys, we have some milk chocolate, and I am gonna start to just drizzle this milk chocolate all over this pretzel mixture. That is what I'm talking about, you guys. Oh, this looks so good. Now I use the melting milk chocolate. I actually have the package here. I'll show you guys in just a moment. It's the Ghirardelli. It's my favorite one, but of course any melting chocolate would do. If you are more prone to using the chocolate chips, tell me if you have any secret to get it nice and creamy. Sometimes I feel like using the chocolate chips is a little bit more difficult, but if that's your jam, so be it, right? So you can tell now that I'm just starting to spread this chocolate right over the top here of these pretzels. Okay, that looks nice and smooth, super tasty on top. Here's the chocolate that I really enjoy using. Just wanted to pop on here, show you guys that real quick. And now, before we finish up, we have a little bit of sprinkles here. I have these super cute little heart ones. I'm gonna sprinkle these right on top. All right, one more kind of sprinkles here. I'm gonna put those on. Which reminds me, did you guys used to make those little Valentine's Day mailboxes when you were a kid? Because I definitely remember doing that. And if they don't do that, shoot, I think that we need to bring back the days of the Valentine's Day mailbox. Okay, you guys, that looks like enough sprinkles for me. I am going to let this sit and cool down and stick around because I'm gonna break it apart. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be delicious. Here we go. Oh, look at that. I think it's all done. I'm not gonna lie, I did pop it in the fridge for a little bit so it would kind of cool down faster. So hopefully this works out. Oh, let's see if we can just lift this out here. All right, so we'll just peel that all the way off there. All right, awesome. So we got all the parchment paper off, and I'm just gonna kind of break it. Oh, awesome. So it still is a little bit cooling down here, but it's able to break apart. So I'm just gonna break it apart, sit over here on my plate. You know, when it's a little bit softer and you start to break it apart, it's probably just a bit easier too to make it into these pieces. But look at that, look at that. Oh, and those pretzels, I can't wait to dig in. These are gonna be really good. The sweet and the saltiness along with the chocolate, the crunch, wow. Okay, that's all I'm gonna break up. There we go. Scooch that on over here. Look at that, I love it. Great, great idea. Look at those pretzels right in there. I'm gonna grab a bite. Just the right amount of crunch. So good. Wow. I love the little pretzels. I love that twist. Great addition to your Valentine's Day treats. I hope you give it a shot. See you guys later.